Iba talaga pag Kamayan-style Filipino food, lalong sumasarap yung mga simpleng pagkain. Hey friends, yung favorite namin sa Baler na Kusina Luntian, nasa QC na as Gubat. Actually, matagal naman na sila dito, pero ngayon lang kami naka-visit. It's open air but surrounded by trees, kaya rin siguro hindi naman mainit. Sikat sila dito sa rice meals na may kasamang adobo rice, salted egg, and pako salad. Usual order namin sa Baler is their liempo, kaya lang wala pala dito, sayang. We got the lechon kawali and adobong baboy instead. Tapos nag-order din kami ng a la carte dinakdakan. O, 'di ba, pork overload? Actually, simple lang naman yung mga dishes. They're good but not wow kind of good. Pero it just works. Yung ambiance, yung Kamayan style, comforting, well-made na ulam, adobo rice pa, and my favorite pako salad with salted egg. Yung lechon kawale medyo fatty lang. Yung dinakdakan, in fairness, ma-ginger, which it should be. Pero adobo yung favorite namin. Maganda yung timpla, plus less fatty and more tender than the lechon kawale. If hindi kayo mahilig sa salad, please still try the pako salad. Si Lovie noong una ayaw pero